And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Vivo Y21s. So in the first step, open the Play Store, then tap on search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Now we need to add the permissions and click on the plus to choose source of your document, like this picture. Now click import. Reduce the shape to your picture or the document, and click arrow. Now choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. You can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, and now type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. You can add more documents by clicking the plus and choose the source of it, like before. But if you want to send only documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.